Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this Tastyle coffee maker has been just what we needed in our home office for a single brew coffee maker. And it's incredible because there are so many options. We can do just a hot brew, we can select bold, or we can even do over ice. There's also the ability to select the number of ounces you want to make. And a key feature was also the fact that there is a water reservoir in the back, so we can fill it up and make multiple cups of coffee before we have to refill it again. So we don't need to fill it up each time we want to make a cup of coffee. And it's nice, it came with its own filter so that we can add our own ground coffee, or we can take that filter out and use a pod if we want to. And if you have a taller cup, you can remove that little platform and the taller cup will fit underneath. We have just been thoroughly enjoying all the wonderful features of this Tastyle coffee brewing machine, and that's our point of view.